Greetings from Sora. I was only studying about Cherrapunji, but I'm happy to know that it has another name, the local name Sora. And I see a lot of rain here. And we all grew up singing one famous English song. It's called There Shall Be Showers of Blessing. So there's a lot of showers of blessing here. And the clouds that I see here, it reminds me of the glory of God. The glory of God came down in the temple that Solomon built. And when God's people worship Him and lift Him up, the glory of God came down. So I just bless each and every one of you with this word, that God will bless you and bless this East Khasi Hills and all the people, the land of revival, with continuous showers of blessing and also with His glory. Prophet Isaiah says that arise, shine. The glory of the Lord has risen upon you. See, darkness covers the earth and deep darkness over the people of the earth. But in that time, God's glory will come upon His people. So remember, my brother and my sister, man of God, that you're watching this video. It is time for us to arise and shine for the glory of God. May God bless you. And bless the East Khasi Hills and the entire state of Meghalaya, India, and all the other nations.
East Khasi Hills district,
Praise the Lord.